tell you.
What's that?
You're gay.
You know what? I don't even know what kind of plant this is, but I love it.
Did I hear someone was giving away bananas? I'll have one.
Yo, that was
Stop being
bad as
stingy,
fuck.
dude. Just give me the damn thing. Give it here. And that's for your information. I'm not fat. Check me out. Look how fast I can run. I'm a freaking sprinter. I should be in the Olympics. What, do you see it again? Look, I'm losing so many calories. It's not even funny. Do I look skinnier? Be honest.
Leonard,
What?
turn around and let me see your outfit.
No, I don't wanna. You're so freaking immature. I can't even move my legs in these stupid pants.